The sun's gravity is powerful enough to hold entire planets in its grip. So, why doesn't Earth just get pulled straight into it? With a force that's strong, crashing into the sun almost feels unavoidable. Every day, we see the sun fixed in the sky, calm and steady. But behind the scenes, an invisible force is constantly pulling Earth toward it. So, why doesn't Earth fall directly into the sun? If gravity is always pulling inward, what's stopping the collision? Here's where it gets strange. Nothing is actually holding Earth up or pushing it away. In fact, Earth is already falling toward the sun right now. But if that's true, why doesn't it ever get closer and crash? The answer lies in how Earth is moving through space. While gravity pulls it inward, Earth is also moving sideways at an enormous speed, about 30 kilometers per second. And that sideways motion changes everything. Instead of heading straight into the sun, Earth keeps missing it. Imagine throwing a ball forward. Gravity pulls it down, but it keeps moving ahead before it hits the ground. Now imagine throwing it so fast that the ground curves away beneath it. That's essentially what Earth is doing. It's constantly falling, but the surface it's falling toward keeps curving away. This creates a continuous curved path around the sun, what we call an orbit. A simple way to picture it is a ball tied to a string. The string pulls it inward, but its motion keeps it circling instead of crashing inward. That delicate balance between gravity and forward motion is what keeps Earth exactly where it is. But here's something even more fascinating. Earth's path isn't perfectly fixed. Over long periods, its orbit shifts slightly due to the gravity of other massive planets, especially Jupiter. Even with these influences, the system remains incredibly stable, a cosmic balance that has lasted for billions of years. So Earth doesn't escape the sun's gravity, it's completely controlled by it. But because it's moving sideways at just the right speed, it keeps falling around the sun instead of into it. Which means right now you're standing on a planet that is endlessly falling through space and somehow never hitting anything. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.